Hello everyone, Alex here from ComputerTech2013. Going to show you how to make a HTML website. Now this will be loads of parts, I suspect, because I've only got 15 minutes in each part, so it will have like 14 parts, maybe less, so I'm not sure. So let's begin. To make a website, HTML is a code that websites tend to use, and it's really how you make websites. You can use other programs like Serif, Web Plus. You can use a lot of programs. We'll be getting into Serif soon. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup. Hypertext, I think it's here. Markup language. So hypertext markup language. So we're going to be learning some of that, and I haven't previewed a website. I haven't got any website, but I'm going to show you a live demo on my site, which I'll be creating. Okay, and I'll upload all the files to my site and show you them, and I'll keep them there for you to see so you can make them. So what we're going to start with is HTML, opening bracket. Now I will grab my magnifier so you can see this. There you go. So HTML, I better move that out of the way. So HTML, and you want to close the HTML like that. Now what you want to do, and this might be a bit blurry actually, you want to open the header tag and close the header tag. There you go. You want to open the body tag and close the body tag. Now the body contains all the content normally. I sometimes go outside the body because I'm doing something. So in the header you want to put the title function, and insert and the end title function like that. Now between these two brackets you want to type your title, so Computer Tech 2014 demo site, like that. So now I want to set a background colour. Now the links will be in the description to do in this. I use a certain website to do this, which is if you just let it look, HTML. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Well, I'll pause the video until I get it up. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I have it up. So this is it. The link will be in the description again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a quite light colour. So my computer's being a bit slow now. You want to go. I'm going to go right, I believe, about there. You're there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code. Go back to my Notepad++. I'm just going to close this up from these windows. Hang on. Links will be in the description. I don't need the upload video yet, and I got the channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now target the body tag. So I've just literally clicked the enter button in there. I'm going to go BG colour, but without the U there. Your BG colour equals // and then paste that code in. If I show you what it looks like on my version, I'm not sure I save this. So, I'm going to say text markup language, and to name it, because it's my homepage, index or default.html. So if I pop up my browser quickly, so run IE for Internet Explorer, as you can see it's here, and then it says ComputerTech2013 demo site, which is in the title. As you can see, which you might not be able to see, it's completely blank with our background. That's it, back into adding the coding for the actual content then. So I have, hang on, let me just check the time. Right, so I'm 5 minutes into the tutorial according to my recorder's time. I will show you my recorder at some point. So what I'm going to do now is start the title bracket. Well, you can do anything, you can do logos, title, but I'm just going to do a heading 1 bracket with a font colour of green, which will suck on this page probably. I'm going to close the heading 1 today. I'm going to close the font like this. So now what you want to do is click straight. So ComputerTech2013 demo site. Now, what I'm also going to add is a center command, so it centers it in the page. You don't need to add this, this is just how you center the writing in the page. So save it, go back to my IE in Explorer, and hit the and hit the refresh button, and there you go. ComputerTech2013 demo site. Now, this is only basic HTML. If you want to get more into the advanced HTML, you can check out my other tutorials, which will get more into it. Using all YouTube embedded code, so you can embed your own YouTube videos on your site. Images is basic, and now what I'm going to do is set up the nav bar. So I'm going to put like that. I'm just going to put nav bar. It's so I can find it. It's easier for me to find it, but you don't need to do that. I'm just going to put a href equals double dot. What I'm going to actually do is open up a table actually with the BG colour equals to white. Now I can spell white on this, but on some I don't think you can. Open TD and then go here and href it to index.html, which is my first page. And that bit, and that bit. And then call that home. And we'll add a couple more. So home, about me, and contact me. Or contact us, and about us, like that. Right, so if I go and refresh you, and you'll see that there is 3 links. Now, what I normally do is I put them in an order because they're easier, and I find it easier. But what I do is I center it as well. So center the actual table. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this sign here so it just looks a bit better. I'm going to end the TD command and end the table. Like this. Now cables are just, you have to have a TD because that's a column, no not the column, whatever. But you need to have TD and you need to put in the colour BG colour and then your colour that you want. So now what we're going to do is end the centre, which will give us a nice kind of like that one. So then this will link us to other pages, which I actually haven't properly linked these yet, about us and contact us. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that and create 2 more pages. Paste the same info in both pages and make a about us page, about us, and contact us. Oh, and got HTML and save it. Now, what I'm going to do, so it's straight I'm on the right page, I'm going to put another center command. You can do this for each one if you want. I'm going to angle the center command. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a heading to paragraph, or a heading to code, and I'm going to put contact us, like this. I'm going to grab this code and paste it in every bit, and then just replace it with what it actually is. So about us and home page or index. I call it home because it's actually the home page, but the thing has to be index so it knows what page it has to defaultly go to. So if I now show you, if I go to here, it now says home, which it shouldn't do like that. Oopsies. What you want to do is paste the actual text below the cable, which I forgot to say, like that. That could go below it, as so, like that. If you do that, you shouldn't have any problems. Let's move the home text down. So like this, save it all, go here, and refresh, and you now have a nice page, home, about us, and contact us. And as you can see, they're changing their name, and they're going to different pages. So home page, index, about, and then contact us. So I believe we're kind of close to our time. So let me just check. We are 12 minutes into our time. So I will very shortly finish this. So what I'm just going to do is quickly make a paint image so I can show you how to import stuff. So there's two types of import. You can href it so it links it. So if I want, I'll show you two types. So I'm just going to put gamma on that and save it. You have to save it in exactly the same folder. If you save it in a different type of folder, like if you saved it, and let me just locate my folder that I need. If you save it like with a new thing like photos, you have to put on it something else, which I'm not going to do. I'm just put it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two types of link. I'm going to add the break tag. Now I'll re-put that up. Now the break tag puts a line between stuff. So I'm going to add two breaks, and I'm going to do a normal image insert code. So img src. Where has my little thing gone? Hang on. How are you? Oh yeah. Oh dear, where is my magnifying glass? There it is. Okay. Let me just move that over. 400 giggy, which I can't even read. Right, 200. IMG equals to double dot and put it whatever it is. So logo.png. Now this does not link. This is just a standard image tag. If I just show you. So refresh. Oh, I haven't actually saved it. Oh, I have saved it. What's going on? Oh, it's gamma.png. Oops. Gamma.png. Like that. So yeah, so if I just save this, it should now come up with the thing. So okay, so we're coming to the end of our time, so join me in part 2. Thank you for watching. Join us in part 2.